excited to have this expanded Thursday because we can do more live demos, and we can also expand our curriculum to now include best practices in terms of business, sales, and marketing for regenerative medicine procedures. Friday's upper extremity day, Saturday's lower extremity and pelvis. So over the course of those 3 days, you'll get a pretty comprehensive exposure to regenerative medicine and MSK Ultrasound. We have over 8 hours of hands-on ultrasound training for essentially all the joints in orthopedics, including the spine. And our goal is to have everyone go home Monday better than they were Wednesday night when they came to the course. If you have any questions, you can find the course at www.orthosono, that's orthosono.com. If you're an exhibitor and you're interested in participating, we have 16 slots. They sell out virtually every course, and you can look at the exhibitor tab online and see how to register. If you have any questions, please hit us up through the website, or you can direct message me on LinkedIn as well. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.